Hello dear students, welcome to Axiomaticos. This video is the part of the solution series for IIT JAM 2017 and we are doing this problem 52 of the section C. So it is a problem of vector calculus. Let us have a look. Let t be the smallest positive real number such that the tangent to the helix, alright, so we have this helix given to us and t is the smallest positive real number such that tangent to this helix at t is equal to t is orthogonal to tangent at t is equal to 0. Then the line integral of f along the section of the helix from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to t. So in the problem, question is talking about this t, and also in the line integral we have limits from 0 to t. That means it is very essential to find out this t. So firstly we will try to find out this t. So let us write this curve RT helix like this. Alright, so it is cos t. Instead of writing ijk, let us write it in coordinate form. Alright, cos t sin t and t by root t. So I am writing this helix in coordinate form. Alright, there is no need to write ijk all the time. You can write RT like this. Now see, you have RT like this. So if you will differentiate it, what you will get? You will get minus sin t, here you will get cos t, and then you will get 1 by root 2. So this is what your r dash t will look like. Now tangent of the helix at t is equal to t is orthogonal to tangent at t is equal to 0. So this is our tangent. So tangent at t is equal to t is orthogonal to tangent at t is equal to 0. Now see, r dash t is this that we have. Just put t in here. What you will get? Sin t, cos t, and then you will have 1 by root 2. Now we know that if two vectors are orthogonal, what is the meaning of this? It means that their dot product will be 0. Alright, so the dot product for these two will be 0. Now calculate r dash t at t is equal to 0. So if you will put t is equal to 0, what you will get? 0, 1, 1 by root 2. So you know that the dot product is 0. So see, sin t will be multiplied with 0. So you will get 0. Then cos t will be multiplied with this, you will get cos t, and then you have 1 by 2. Are you getting my point? So what I am doing, I am currently doing the dot product here. So cos t is minus 1 by 2. Cos t is minus 1 by 2. Now what will be the value of t? So we know that in the second quadrant your cos is negative. So what it will be? It will be pi minus pi by, see, when you get 1 by 2, you got 1 by 2 at t is equal to pi by 3. But because of this negative sign, you have to subtract it from pi. So what you will get? 2 pi by 3. So at t is equal to 2 pi by 3, you will see, this is your answer. So we are getting now t. Now we have to just find out this line integral that we have written. So it is f vector dot dr. This will be our line integral on which we are moving. We are moving on our helix that is given to us. So f dot dr will be x dy minus y dx. Alright. Now see, we are working on helix. So now substitute x is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t. So if x is cos t, this will imply dx will be minus sin t dt. Alright, now dy will be cos t dt. So just substitute everything here. What you will get is, see, x dy it is, so we will get cos square t. See, minus sin t dt into sin t, we will get sin square t dt. you are moving from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to capital T. What is capital T? It is 2 pi by 3. So finally let us write this line integral as L. So L will be, see, cos square t plus sin square t is 1, that you know yourself. So integral will be 2 pi by 3. So if you will calculate this you will get that it is between 2.0 to 2.2. Are you getting my point? So you can enter any number which is in between 2.0 and 2.2. So if you will calculate this, let me calculate myself, and then we will see that where it will lie. Alright, so if you will calculate it, so 2 into pi we have, so 2 into pi, and then we have to divide it by 3, so you will get 2.094. So just enter this. So finally we are getting our answer. It is 2.094. Alright, so if you have any doubt, you can always ask in the comment section. If you have any other doubt, you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Links are given in the description part of the video. Alright, so thank you.